hobbyists.
The following demonstration illustrates the method of creating a tactical mount in 3ds Max. The method acquired can be applied to other 3D applications.
Tutorial is so lame.
Oh, not even close.
The worst episode ever.
I will now demonstrate the tactical mount currently available for sale, which comes in low and high poly versions. This is available now in ZBrush. Finalize the model's curve to complete the design. I am utilizing ZBrush. Additionally, I have a tutorial on this subject that includes both ZBrush and Blender. I will provide all links in the comments section. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you again soon. Please feel free to provide any feedback in the comments section.